प्रणीता सुभाष जी मतलब जो हिंदी फ़िल्मों के एक्टर है और एक्ट्रेसेस है उनको बहुत पसंद किया जाता है। तो आपके हिसाब से क्या ख़ासियत है उनकी ऐसे?
I think that today pan India cinema बना रहे हैं हम लोग and every movie is crossing the language barrier and Hindi films are being made in various and being released in various South Indian languages so that they can cater to that audience as well. And same thing with the South, we're dubbing our films into Hindi and releasing it there so that we have a wider audience. And I think the crossover of actors here really helps because having a South Indian actress and a male lead from Bombay will really help so it can cater to a larger audience. And similarly, a Hindi actress in a South film will cater to a larger audience, and I think that's the motive behind having this whole casting crew.
If you see the history of Hindi film
Yeah.
industry, there is a era, there was a era, now it's about to come with an
Yeah.
Rashmika also ki South actors were ruling the
Yes,
industry.
yes.
What do you have to say about it?
I think I take pride in it, and I feel that at least from here, with the work ethic that is there in the South Indian film industry is unmatchable. And I think we all come from the school of South Indian cinema where we've been a part of it and we've really learned how whether it's discipline and everything. I'm sure even the Bollywood actresses have great discipline, but I just think that it's probably also a little bit of luck, I would say. So I'm really happy that South Indian actors can rule Bollywood cinema.
But compared to Hindi actress, all
Yeah.
South Indian actresses been loved everywhere, even abroad.
I'm so happy to hear this because it just makes me feel really happy, and obviously love coming from any part of the world is more than welcome, and yeah, I'm very happy to see actresses crossing borders.
फिलहाल आपकी मतलब भूमिकाओं में क्या चल रहा है? क्या कर रही है आप आने वाले
So
दिनों
I
में?
just had a baby. It's been 4 months, so I'm gonna soon get back to films. Yeah.
अभी आप कुछ बता रही थी आपकी कोई इंस्पेक्टर वाली भूमिका आने वाली है?
That's released this year. April में release हुआ और it was my first Malayalam movie and that was after my first baby, but it was shot between the two babies. Yeah.
And now you tell me like now as you are talking about the Malayalam film
Yeah.
and now someone is talking about the Hema
Yeah.
report also. What do you have to say? What's your observation about it?
It's very nice that there are legal bodies that are being set up because I feel that women have to be safe, whether it's on a movie set, whether it's at office, corporate, जहाँ पे भी हो हम लोग safely काम करना चाहिए and it has to be a safe environment for every woman out there.
Thank you.
Thank you.